Okay, be honest. How many of you scroll through your phone right before bed? Just 5 more minutes, right? But what if I told you that could be ruining your sleep and you don't even know it? That blue light on your phone, it's a sneaky little culprit. It tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which means you can't get the deep, restful sleep you need. And here's the crazy part that will shock you. That blue light is basically like drinking a cup of coffee before bed. Yep, it keeps you wide awake. It blocks a hormone called melatonin, the one that helps you feel sleepy. So yeah, you might be scrolling, but you're also staying awake much longer than you should. And are you sleeping with your phone right next to your head? That's even worse. Your phone heats up while charging, and the radiation from it, it's not really something you want right near your brain while you sleep. So Prita, what do? I sleep with my phone every night, and I keep it on the charger. So here's the easy fix for that. Turn on night mode or do not disturb, and keep that phone at least a few feet from your bed. I know for me and my husband, we try to keep our phones out of the room completely for a certain time. And trust me, the sleep is way better on those nights. So try setting a time for no screen time, and your brain will thank you. You'll get better sleep, less grogginess in the morning, and you'll wake up feeling so much more refreshed.